we don't want only to improve the municipal services, we want to help municipalities to exchange about the way and how they deliver the municipal services.
Целта на регионалната соработка е да донесе допълнителна вредност в работата на националните институции в своите земји. Прво, ясна и точна идентификация на проблемите и второ, што е најважно, ясни и ефикасни решения.
When we develop instruments, management tools and new way of delivering the services, it is as well better to do that together to reduce the cost.
The idea is that citizens use their mobile telephones as a tool that enables communication. They take a picture of the problem and directly, via the application, inform the municipality, but can also follow what the authorities have done to solve the issue. Once they have downloaded the application, citizens can have not only an overview of the problems reported in the municipality in the areas they are interested in, but also of the reaction of the institutions.
Постојат одредени разлики секако во законодавството на трите земји, но тоа не представува поголема пречка за имплементација на еден ваков систем.
Инвестицијата за воведување на ваков систем во трите држави, значи на регионално ниво, е околу 500.000 евра, односно пола милион. И временската рамка за уведување на ваков систем е 3 години, односно ако би почнала 2016 до 2018 системот би бил воведен.
Countries of Southeast Europe face many challenges in relation to sectoral management. Understandably, this will require funding and also significant regional cooperation, which shall enable an exchange of experience and ideas, with the ultimate objective being to come up with acceptable, cost-effective solutions.
За да не ги доведем идните генерации да се судрат со проблемот на недостаток на доволно вода за пиење.
The support for such activities is essential to strengthen the cooperation between organizations that need to be cooperating together.
In this case, cooperation is definitely a need.
Regional cooperation is very important in order to exchange best practices, learn from each other, specifically when it comes to learning and training in the water sector.
Benchmarking as an initiative in the region, despite being a relatively new tool, has been well received by the water supply communal companies. The intention is to develop a joint platform which shall contain all data on utilities and will be accessible and adequate for implementation in other countries in the region.
One of the initiatives that is happening at the moment is the creation of a regional platform called danubis.org. This is a platform where we're trying to make all of the information that is being collected by these national partners available so that utility companies, but also policymakers, regulators can actually access it and use it for benchmarking for their own needs.
The lack of a suitable management system of the existing infrastructure in the water sector has brought about the need to develop a special tool that will be used in business planning, as well as in identifying priorities for investments and interventions, as well as to make better decisions.
It's the first time we developed this model, but it's built on the experience we have over the last 15 years implementing asset management. So we understand the problems the decision makers have, and we understand how everything has to come together. So on the one hand asset management, on the other hand investment plans, and all these have to be translated to funding requirements.
Идејата е од кога ќе се добие успешен тестиран модел, истиот да се прошири и во поголем број на јавни претпријатија и општини во регионот.
Sertifikacija opština sa povoljnim poslovnim okruženjem je jedinstveni program za poboljšanje kvaliteta usluga i informacija koje opštine u jugoistočnoj Evropi pružaju privrednicima. Program nudi jasne smernice kako da kreiraju dobru poslovnu klimu i uvedu najviše međunarodne standarde efikasne i transparentne lokalne administracije, s obzirom na to da lokalni razvoj ne zavisi samo od države, već i od sposobnosti opština da prepoznaju i promovišu svoje investicione potencijale i pruže efikasne usluge investitorima.
Mi smo strašno puno napredovali u promociji općine, rada, općinske administracije, transparentnosti i već ove godine vidimo zaista rezultate toga rada.
In the cross-border rural and coastal areas, waste has become a serious threat to human health and public sanitation, resulting in a bigger problem for the overall sustainability of their environmental and social and economic balance.
Benefits from this project within the overall implementation is to actually have 3 developed models which will serve as a project proposals and fishes that SWG analysts will further actually try to develop into future projects and search for its fund.
Municipalities in the region generally face financial problems and their communal utilities as well. So they don't have enough funds to improve their services, to increase the coverage.
I ovaj projekat je nama itekako dobro došao da steknemo neka nova znanja vezano za upravljanje čvrstim otpadom.
The number of refugees who daily arrive in the bordering municipalities in many cases exceeds their population number, which creates a huge logistical problem.
Treba nam od prijevoza, od kontejnera, od saniranja, od javnih radova. Najbitnije nam je novac, znači novac nam je potreban sad i odmah.
The regional cooperation and coordination, not only at governmental but also at the level of local governments, is of a crucial importance, while sharing information and best practices will help finding rational and efficient solutions.
Onoga trenutka kada se zatvore granice, vjerojatno ćemo se i mi suočiti sa problemom kako prihvatiti veći broj izbjeglica i kako im osigurati sve one potrebne uvjete da se osjećaju normalno kao i u drugim zapadnoevropskim zemljama.